it makes me want to keep on making videos for you. I really genuinely appreciate you.
This is a collection of coins on
So this video is
on the
about crowns.
internet, mainly
If you are
crowns.
new to the channel, I like.
But as you can see, they're a pretty grim looking lot. I wouldn't want a collection like this. Absolutely not. Not in this condition. They're not only filthy dirty, they're just rubbish. To me, they're not really collectible coins. Now, this is my collection. I'll let you have a look at them. Various types, but we'll start with, let's have a look. Here we go. Right, this is my collection of coins, which I consider they're dated. They're in capsules, but as you can see, they've been cleaned, professionally cleaned. 1892. I'm not going to take them out the containers. There's a nice one there. What's that one? 18. That's also 1892. Now this to me is how a collection should look. Super condition like that. There's a couple of here's an 1892 again. But as you can see, I mean, all you've got to do is clean them. I clean them with baking soda. I don't dip them, and I don't put any other kind of thing on them. Let's have a look. I've got one here. It's whoa, I can't get it out. 1822. Now this is worn. 1822. 200 years old plus. And once again, it's been cleaned. It's in lovely condition, as all of them are, but they've all been cleaned, and that definitely has not ruined the value of the coin. These coins go up for sale on eBay. I bought all of these on eBay. All of them were filthy, minging, dirty coins. None had toning as such. They were just dirty. Toning is something else. Now you might say, as many people do, whatever you do, don't clean your coins. Well, I say the opposite. That's absolute rubbish. Don't clean your coins. Who wants a collection like this? I mean, that is just totally gross. I know there's some valuable coins there, yes, sure. Look at the condition of them. I mean, they're absolutely minging. I wouldn't want coins in that condition. I wouldn't collect them in that condition. Some of the others I've collected, I'll just put that back. Pop that in there. Oh, these are half crowns. Also, as you can see, they're in lovely condition. They've been cleaned. They're starting to colour up a bit here and there, but you know, I'll clean them again if I have to. I have a couple of trays of those. This one's got a cover on it. But once again, it makes so much of a difference in your collection. And when it comes to selling them, they sell because they're clean, nice looking coins, not because they've got dirty, filthy, so-called patinas. Patina is just a cover-up word for filth and dirt accumulated down the years. And the dealers don't want to clean them. They don't want to spend their time cleaning coins. So they say, leave it on. It gives it character and it tells a story. No, it does not. That's absolute garbage. These, by the way, are Irish 10 shilling coins, 18 grams of silver. And they've been cleaned. They're absolutely lovely coin. A half crown weighs 14 grams. These weigh 18. I've still got to fill this tray. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've just bought one, so I've got 4 to collect. These are odd coins that I've bought. Here's one here. It's let me see now. 1883, 92.5, 11 grams, and that's one of these florins. That's a Gothic florin. Now it's important that the braid is there. Can't go any closer. This has been cleaned. Now the braid is there, complete, and that makes it much more valuable, because on all of these coins that get older, the braid seems to disappear. Let's have a look at some of the others. I've got another interesting coin here. Where is it? Is it that one? No. Is it that one? Yes, there's one. I think that's a half crown. The year is, well, let's go over there. The year is, sorry about this. It's difficult holding the camera and doing this. Well, it doesn't say what the year is, but it's 14 grams, so it is a half crown. It says on the front there, but 1881. That's been cleaned. Not polished. It's never been polished. None of my coins have been polished, only cleaned. So don't worry too much if you get a nice shiny coin like that. There's nothing wrong with that. That'll sell just as well, if not better, than a minging dirty old coin. That is an ER. Now they do these in Cooper and Nickel and Elizabeth and Philip, but this one's actually a silver one, 1947. It's worth a lot more, 40 to 60 pound. Now these aren't coins. They look like coins, but they're actually medals, but they're still silver. There's another one, I think that's Mary. That's silver. So don't worry about coins being dirty and you cleaning them, because there's no shame, and I wouldn't worry one iota about cleaning coins. I bought them cleaned and I sell them clean. Well, I don't sell them at the moment, but I will be selling them cleaned. Where's that other one? Oh, there it is. Oh, these are, and I haven't mentioned these. These are rocking horse crowns, one date, 1935, I think. And these and they're 50% silver. They're not 100%, 14 grams. 14 grams of silver, not 28. So don't forget, they're only worth the same as a half crown, but still very collectible. I think they originally produced about, well, I don't know, I was guessing. I was about to tell you that they only produced about 740,000 of these Irish 10 shilling coins, but they withdrew them and melted down a lot of them, so they're very collectible, especially in America. Well, there you are. That's my lot. Taken me, 3 years to collect this lot. That's my